Yo, I know I look rough. I'm gonna get a haircut for the next video, I promise. I'm gonna try. Welcome back to the video. It's your boy Ron. I'm at the storage, as you guys can see. The motor is back there. I do have some bolts for it today because I think the last video you guys saw is when I was cleaning it up. I don't think I showed you what was really done to the motor, you feel me? I do have some clips from when I was here the last time working on it. I really cleaned it up. It really looks a lot better than what it looked like from before. And Nemron's actually doing some painting. So yeah, let me go ahead. I'm gonna pull the motor out and show you what the motor looks like. Yeah, man. So here we have the motor. It's a K24 A2 motor. As you guys already know, it's the 02 to 04 TSX long block. Currently has an RBC intake manifold with a K-tuned throttle body. I'm not going to be running the RBC. I will be running a Skunk 2 Ultra Street manifold. That's my choice. So I'm just kind of like, you know, there are a few things that I have to button up. So no VTEC solenoid, I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. I do have a new gasket for the VTEC solenoid and bolt. So let me go ahead and set that up. Set the GoPro up to show you guys what I'm doing because I'm alternating through my phone and GoPro. Alright, so here I have the VTEC solenoid that I kind of repainted the outside a little bit and kind of repainted the VTEC solenoid. I do have the gasket that just fell on the floor. So I'm gonna go ahead. The surface is already clean, so I'm gonna install the gasket, install the VTEC solenoid, and keep going from there with all the other bolts that I have. Alright, give you a little better close-up. VTEC solenoid is in. I'm gonna go ahead and change the VTC screen gasket. I'm gonna go ahead and change right here. So there's a gasket. I'm gonna go ahead and take the 210s off. Boom. That's it. Alright, so I went ahead and pulled the 210s off. The screen kind of parted out in my hand, so I'm glad I actually got the VTC screen. I do need to kind of clean the area up a little bit and then put more ultra gray or Honda bond. That should be mint. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a razor, clean the area, and apply the Honda bond and seal it up.
Meanwhile,
watch him. We're having too much fun. Well, I'm gonna get it right this time. Wow, bro.
meanwhile,
guys, always remember, like, comment, and subscribe on this man's channel. This man's slacking on the content, but tell him, yo, we need content. This man got all this content. But I'm not record the content, right? Tell him. I'm not record.
Come, let me show you. Wait, if you order, when you ordering stuff.
Oh God.
K-Tune! Not this trash! Not this!
Yo, why you rub the man box so far?
Bun up. Bun up. Bun up.
Are you rubber back, you know?
Yeah, how do you get bun up?
Are you rubber back on a
Yo,
you know what?
how does it feel to be a fish?
Eh?
Eh?
You tell me, yeah, rub the
No,
back and
are
speaking
you
on
are
me
a
ears.
fish? That's nice.
check
How
my
does it
ears.
feel to be a
I can't
fish?
rub them my back.
And you not stopping.
But
How does it?
but-
What's it? Show the hand move. Show the hand movement. Show the hand movement. Yeah man, yeah man, yeah man. Show the hand movement.
See ya.
Watch out! Watch out! The thing dead.
Puss in boots.
I can't tell my boss are the wrong thing me have and I rub them my back and I talk in my ears.
Yeah, but both of
There things are going on with you know.
I things are going
But you're there too.
No,
But you're
but
there
you're not
too.
there. Me there.
So this is the moment when
Undercover.
Chris and Ran ready for war.
Oh no! You are him back and him there yourself.
No, Bob. Ran your purr now, yeah cat.
Say my prayer.
Bob.
Why? For the homie one. Why? And there's something else.
You say you turn cat now?
For me?
Eh.
That's another.
So him graduate from fish to cat.
Boom.
Well, you know what cat love?
What cat love? Tuna?
Fish.
Yes.
Oh, so you like yam fish?
Yo, zoom up on the man's face.
No, sir. Boy, I bet things like that, man, you know. Look like you consume 5 guys, you know. Huh?
I'm not using this shit, dude. Something look like it's missing from here.
Where's the next one?
What do you mean?
There's few.
I don't know.
There's more than one. What you mean?
I just
Where's the
missed
next
it on the surface. Man, take out this and I say, yo, this I can already bought out, so I'm gonna put it down.
Ah, bro, you tripping. There was few of them. Come on, one next one there, yo.
What, this? Oh. Yeah, my nose or something did missing out there. Yeah. Because I'm like, it looked like something was missing from it.
But thank you for standing down that one there still, you know. It's looking lovely.
This should look like ass.
What? It look like what?
Yeah?
Eh?
It look like trash.
No. What you said before? What you said before?
I said it looked like trash.
No. You said sitting before that.
What do you think I said?
We're not.
We're not sitting. You never said trash.
You gonna tell me what I said?
Alright, the footage will be recorded.
Oh yeah, but remember I might edit it.
Oh yeah, man, cut it
I'm
out.
gonna cut it out.
Yeah, y'all just wasting your breath.
This gonna be bloopers. You might not put none of this in.
I ain't putting that shit in.
I know that. They probably just take the whole GoPro with me today.
Upload.
Yeah. Oh yeah. K-Bros 2.0. All the
Let's go
unedited.
say K-Tune Bros. K-Tune Bros.
No worry. It's okay. How does it feel to work in a K-Tune facility?
I feel like ass on this one.
Tap your bum back out now. All the great motors were built in this facility. Yeah, including Fear One. That's right over here.
That boy said you call him Big Bro. Big Bro.
Sir.
That's from the can't pass that?
Nah.
Show them how you flip the wrist.
This man about to lay some
So
paint.
you know what?
We just trying to waste his battery.
You have the gasket there? Alright, y'all boys, so here we have the stock water neck. I kind of painted it. Well, not kind of, I did paint it. Kind of plugged it in with 2 bolts so far to hold it in. Plugged up the coolant sensor. Plugged in the VTEC solenoid. Also changed the gasket for the VTC screen that's in the front. Got a dipstick in there. I gotta get some coil packs now. And I'm waiting for my skunk tube manifold to get here.
Money.
Sidewinder.
Money.
Shut up.
Money.
And we already got the turbo.
Oh, money. Oh, let me, like, I gotta make a reel with that.
So, yeah. All right, y'all boys. So, Nemron was like, yo, I'm gonna just mount the turbo. The Bluetooth turbo, bruh. But you get the idea. Big ass freaking skunk tube manifold. This nigga, bro. You took that thing off.
Oh, damn.
We running the box tonight.
But y'all get the vibe. You know what we plan to do with this shit. It's going on, booze. So yeah, brother. Alright, so that's a short little video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully in the next video I can have something a little bit more interesting. Maybe me picking something up. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, look by my yard. But yeah, be sure to like the video. Go ahead, subscribe to Alan Spec, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.